Hey guys, welcome back. In this session, we will be seeing how to write static methods inside the functional interfaces. What are the static methods? The static methods in interfaces are similar to the default methods, but the only difference is that you cannot override the static methods. Now, why do we need static methods in interfaces if we already have the default methods? Suppose you want to provide some implementation in your interface and you don't want that implementation overridden in the implementing class, then you can declare that method as a static. Correct? So now I'll be taking a simple example to demonstrate the static methods. Here is an example. I have a vehicle interface which will be having a clean vehicle. Clean vehicle is a static method, and I am implementing vehicle interface in a car. Our car is implementing vehicle interface. Okay, so when the car is implementing vehicle interface, whatever the methods which are there in the vehicle interface, by default, these methods will be automatically inherited to your car class. You can access the clean vehicle method, but you cannot override this clean vehicle method. That's the lock. Okay, fine. I hope you understood this static method. In the next session, we will be learning the other topic. Until then, thank you for watching.